Just threw some food to the pigeons. Look how funny they are, how they eat it. Look at this. That's why you got to do what I did, which was throw them small pieces. Dumped out some cereal. Comical. Look how funny. How they eat the big pieces. They rip a piece off, jerk their neck, and it rips the piece off and it goes flying. I love them. God's creations. They are comical. Here, let's see. They get scared. I got some more for them. Threw some cereal. Yeah, they get scared easy. I'll throw the rest in here for my friends. Hey, what's funny? I could use a good laugh.